The Peñaranda River is located at the Minalungaw National Park. The Minalungaw National Park is a protected area of the Philippines located in the municipality of General Tino Nueva Ecija in central Luzon. Peñaranda River bordered on both sides by up to 16-meter-high limestone walls in the foothills of Sierra Madre mountain range. It was established in 1967 by virtue of Republic Act No. 5100. The park is considered one of the few remaining natural environments in this region, north of Manila. It is promoted by the local government as an ecotourism destination, offering breathtaking scenery of green pristine river and unique rock formations. Travelers can experience serene river cruising with locally made bamboo raft while enjoying the nature. One of the main attractions of Minalungaw National Park is the Peñaranda River, which is home to a variety of fish and other aquatic life. Visitors can take a dip in the cool waters of the rivers or go swim in one of the many natural pools found within the park. For our knowledge, published last March 2024, DENR and the Protected Area Management Board issued an advisory stating that the Minalungaw National Park has been closed to the public. The DNR said the closure of the park will also take into account the repairs to be undertaken on the facilities that were damaged by recent typhoons and other environmental considerations.
Shoutout sa tropa kong nagluluto ng talong. Alam mo kaya pinagbe-best siya kasi konting ano lang naiiba rin yung ano, parang lumalalim. Oo, halo siya.
After swimming, we planned to ride the zip line, but it was already closed. The Minalungaw National Park is open between 8 in the morning up to 5 in the afternoon. So we decided to climb the 1,000 steps to a giant glass cross. Most people called it 1,000 steps to the cross because the numbers of cemented stair steps is exactly 1,000 in numbers. That is why it takes will and guts if you want to try to climb it. To reach the giant glass cross first, you need to pass a bridge that is between the two 16 meters high limestone wall. You can find a black gravestone in the side as a memory to a Christian missionary who evangelized the people in this place. In the middle of your way, you will notice that the cemented stair steps change color from light green to sky blue, meaning that you have reached the half of the 1,000 steps. In the last 50 steps, you can view the giant glass cross, meaning that you are near to your destination and the top of the mountain. When you are on the top, you can see this giant glass cross that will ease your tiredness. This is a perfect to offer a prayer to the Lord, to praise and thank Him for all He had done for us. This cross is like a light that shines to the people who climb here that are weary and stressed in their lives.